exception for this hadith, which is that the best of the prayer is in the house except for obligatory, is our Sheikh Albani says, is the prayer of the Qiyam in Ramadan behind the Imam. Why is that? Because of a hadith makes this exception. Hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, he says, Man salla ma'al imam, he who prays with the Imam, hatta yansarif, until he finishes, kutiba lahu qiyamu layla. It will be written for him like he's been praying all night, even he could be sleeping. You can't find this if you're praying at home. And that's why also Sheikh Albani with this hadith, not just exclude this sort of sunnah to be prayed at the masjid better than the house, he excludes as well the prayer of the women, whom the prayer is better in the house than the masjid. That this one, no. For the women, it's better for them to pray behind the imam. So at the time of the companions, they used to have two imams, one for the men, one for the women, because there are too many. Okay, so the women, companions women, they come to the prayer in the masjid to pray their taraweeh. So because of this Ramadan, this taraweeh is to be behind the imam, and the imam is to be prayed behind him. It's like you have, if until he finishes, like you pray the whole night. That exempted from the general hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, and he says, the best of the prayer of yours is in the house except for the obligatory. Naam, jazakallah khair.